Welcome back to Beyond Binary, where technology meets possibility. Imagine building an intelligent app that recognizes images, writes content, predicts customer behavior, or even generates music without touching a single line of complex code. That's not science fiction anymore. This is the world of low-code AI tools, and today we're exploring how they're reshaping creativity, business, and innovation. Let's start with the basics. Low-code AI tools are platforms that provide drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built models, and automated pipelines to let anyone, yes, even without programming experience, create sophisticated AI-powered solutions. You might think advanced coding skills are required, but in 2025, that's no longer true. The barriers to entry are crumbling. Here's the first fact. In 2025, over 65% of new enterprise applications are projected to be developed using low-code or no-code platforms, according to Gartner. That's a staggering shift in how software is made. It means small businesses, educators, and solo creators now have the same innovation power once reserved for tech giants. Fact 2. Drag-and-drop AI model builders like Google's Vertex AI, Microsoft Power Apps, and RunwayML now offer pre-trained models for image recognition, natural language processing, and speech-to-text. What used to take a team of data scientists can now be prototyped in a single afternoon. Third fact, these tools aren't just for business apps, they're fueling creative revolutions. Artists and musicians are using low-code AI to co-create music, design digital art galleries, and even build interactive storytelling experiences. An indie musician can use AI to remix their own tracks or create a virtual stage performance, all without technical know-how. Here's fact 4. Real-time collaboration features are now standard. Teams across the globe can build an AI-driven customer support chatbot together without writing custom APIs. This democratization is particularly powerful for small nonprofits or startups in emerging economies that could never afford large development teams. Fact 5. Low-code AI tools are improving education worldwide. Platforms like Teachable Machine and Cognimates allow teachers to create simple AI projects for students, from image classification games to voice-controlled robots. Children as young as 10 are training models, not by coding but by showing examples and clicking buttons. Now, fact 6. These tools integrate directly with data sources like Google Sheets, Airtable, and cloud storage. That means you can feed your own data into AI models without needing complex database management. Imagine a small bakery analyzing customer purchase patterns or a YouTuber automating thumbnail generation. No coding involved. Fact 7. Low-code AI is accelerating innovation in healthcare. Doctors and researchers are using platforms like DataRobot and H2O.ai to create diagnostic models or predict patient outcomes without having to rely on IT departments. In one recent case, a rural clinic built an AI-powered screening tool for diabetic retinopathy with a low-code platform, bringing early detection to hundreds of patients. Fact 8. Security and governance are improving too. Earlier concerns about data leaks or unmonitored models are being addressed by built-in compliance tools, automated model auditing, and explainability dashboards. Users can now understand why a model made a decision, crucial for industries like finance and law. Fact 9. Low-code AI ecosystems are driving cross-platform innovation. You can build an AI-powered web app, deploy it to mobile, or integrate it with IoT devices without writing separate code bases. Some platforms even auto-generate APIs so your creation can talk to other apps instantly. And the 10th fact, the economic impact is huge. Analysts predict the low-code AI market will exceed $150 billion by 2027, creating millions of new jobs, not just for developers, but for citizen creators, product managers, and designers. Instead of replacing developers, low-code AI amplifies their capabilities and allows them to focus on more complex, high-value tasks. So why does this matter? Because low-code AI isn't just a shortcut, it's a paradigm shift. It's making artificial intelligence accessible to educators, artists, entrepreneurs, and activists. It's removing gatekeepers and accelerating innovation at an unprecedented pace. In a world where the next billion users will come online from diverse backgrounds, low-code AI ensures they can build solutions tailored to their own challenges and cultures. Picture this. A small-town environmental group creates an AI app to monitor local wildlife. A teenager builds a virtual try-on tool for sustainable fashion. Or a farmer in Kenya develops a crop disease detector using photos from a basic smartphone, all without hiring a developer. That's the power of low-code AI. Of course, challenges remain. There's the risk of over-reliance on templates, potential misuse of AI-generated outputs, and the need for ethical oversight. But as the tools mature, communities and companies are stepping up with guidelines, tutorials, and open-source contributions to ensure responsible use. So next time you think of AI as something only big tech companies can control, remember that the future is shifting. Low-code AI is not just changing who builds software, it's changing who shapes the future. And that means you can too. Stay tuned here on Beyond Binary for more deep dives into the technologies redefining our world. If you've ever thought about building an app or bringing an idea to life, maybe now's the moment. The code is no longer the barrier. The only limit is your imagination.